Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Chainlink. Link has been doing very, very well in this market. If you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, pretty much everything is down in the last 24 hours when you take a look, besides Chainlink, and that's exactly what we're going to take a look at today. I do want to say, guys, in this last hour or so, you can see that there has been a nice drop from 46.3 down to about 45.6. So that's a very solid drop in the last hour. So I would pay attention to that, see where that goes before investing in anything. As remember, I'm not a financial advisor, always do your own research. But when we look at Chainlink, Chainlink's pretty much ignoring the rest of the market. It's up 8% while the market is down 1.5%. If we take a look at Chainlink, there's a lot of reasons to believe that we're going to continue to go up in this really next 12 months of 2022. If we take a look at the last 24 hours, like I said, an 8% increase. We actually made it all the way up to $27 and about 50 cents January 5th at 11:10 a.m. But if we take a look at the last week, about a 28% increase already coming from $20, and then a month span we have about a 26% increase as well. A lot of great things coming to Chainlink, and that's exactly what we're going to cover today, telling you guys about the utility and the great things that people are suggesting is really coming for Chainlink, like I said, in 2022. So the market cap right now at $12.2 billion. And I will say this Chainlink video is going to be one of the most bullish, in my opinions, to really kind of give you an understanding of where I expect Chainlink to be by the end of 2022 as well. If we see the first tweet here, this was a nice one by Link Collector. Link has stopped selling tokens. So for the last, I can't even remember how long, probably over a year at the very least, Link has actually been selling off their tokens. And it makes sense. They actually talked about it a little bit in a couple of videos, but I'm not going to go too deep into that. But Link has been selling off their tokens. They have actually stopped selling their tokens. That's a massive amount of money that has stopped being sold. We also have supply and demand economics now in full effect, exponential price increases on the table, and plan accordingly. So this is Link Collector, obviously a guy that's going to be very, very bullish. And a lot of people would say, well, obviously he's going to talk about good things when it comes to Link. He's a Link holder, probably holding a ton of Link considering his name. But I will say, guys, there's a lot of reasons to believe that Link's going to do well. We have a lot more really tweets to jump into. First off, we have myself. So I do have a giveaway going on. So if you actually go to this tweet here, still trying to give Chainlink away. If we hit $40 Link by the end of January, I will give 100 Link away. So all you have to do is retweet this specific tweet and follow me on Twitter at CryptoProfitYT. So it's very easy to get entered. Hopefully it does reach $40, and that's what I just said here. So this could actually be the month. Link seems to be ignoring the rest of the crypto market. If it doesn't happen in January, we're going to push it forward to February and make sure it happens hopefully in February or March. But you can already see that Link is being talked about by many, many out there, including myself. So Link staking, I should say, will actually be one of the best things of 2022 without a doubt. And that was kind of in response to Chainlink putting out this 2022 kickoff presentation, highlights how Chainlink has come to secure over $75 billion, plans for cross-chain interoperability using CCIP, and the upcoming release of staking, and the use of Chainlink as an abstraction layer by the Web 2.0 and enterprises. This is one of the biggest reasons I am bullish on Chainlink. Obviously, staking is huge, CCIP huge, but we've talked about so many integrations, so many partnerships. There are over 1,000 partnerships, 1,000 integrations, and it's growing each and every year. If we actually take a look at Michael Van de Pope, he said back January 1st, Chainlink is bottom for me, and this is the sweet spot to buy before a new bull run in 2022 happens. Definitely one of the most undervalued projects out there. So there's just another guy agreeing pretty much that Chainlink is undervalued. We also see here this one a little bit much in my opinion. I will say my specific price points are not even close to $430. Mine are more for the end of the year, or really the end of the bull market, more around about $200. But we see here Link $430, June 2022. I think we would all be happy with that. As we move on a little bit farther, we have Johnny, the crypto god John. Link is gearing up for really an explosive move, in my opinion. Sergi confirmed the team has stopped selling tokens and node staking is now profitable. Link and BTC looked bottom, and I'm expecting Chainlink to be a top performer in 2022. So a lot of people excited about this. Like I said, the fact that they have stopped selling their tokens and the node staking is now profitable is going to be absolutely huge, like I said, for the entirety of 2022. I think this is going to be a coin to really jump into, guys. If you have not already, if you haven't listened to me in the past couple of months, I'm hoping you listen to me now if we do see Chainlink continue to drop because of this really last, really the last hour or so in the market with this most recent decrease here. We see Bitcoin dropping from 69,000 November 9th all the way down to about 46,000. But what's crazy about that is if we take a look at the last, let's go to last year, and let's go to last year. You can see here, Bitcoin was at its all-time high around November 9th, 7 p.m. Let's see where we were November 9th, 7 p.m. Well, we were at $33.84. That is not very high at all compared to where we've been in the prior or the past when our previous all-time high was around $52 to $53. So do expect Chainlink to do much, much better this time around if we do hit an all-time high across the board market cap. So if we take a look here at this article on FX Tree, I thought this was an interesting one. Chainlink priced to provide a buying opportunity before Link rallies 50%. Chainlink price seems to be at the end of its short-term upswing and is likely to retrace $20. This downswing could provide a buying opportunity before Link triggers a 50% upswing to $33.08. So if we are lucky enough, if this is correct, you guys are going to have one more buying opportunity potentially before we reach that $33 mark. A breakdown of the range low at $19.05 will invalidate the bullish thesis. So we do not want to break below $19.05. It makes it that simple and that easy to understand. If we actually jump over to CoinDesk, they have more on Chainlink in this most bullish push. Chainlink jumps while Bitcoin stages recovery. So Link hits resistance levels while major cryptocurrencies held support levels ahead of publication of the Fed's minutes on Wednesday. So the tokens of Oracle platform Chainlink have climbed 10% in the past 24 hours to lead gains among major cryptocurrencies at the broader market showing signs of recovery. This is, like I said, a huge, huge deal. We're continuing to see Chainlink do well when you see many, many other coins really struggling to perform in this last couple of hours and really days. If we take a look here, why Ethereum, Chainlink, and Cosmos are making big moves today. So I'm not going to jump too much into this one. If you want to read some of these articles, you definitely can. But we could be here all day reading different articles on Chainlink. A lot of people are talking about it. A lot of people know that it's the next big thing for 2022. With what I kind of explained to you guys, there's reasons that Chainlink's going to do very, very well. It's really one of the best Oracle solutions in the crypto space, and we all know this. And that's exactly why the utility and use case for Chainlink is continuing to grow while the crypto space grows. So I want to jump over to, let's read this. Out of 20 cryptocurrencies, Chainlink is one of the only 4 that have made a positive move over this same time frame. This token appreciated 3.5% over the past 24 hours. So think about that. 4 tokens out of 20. And Chainlink is one of them. That's great to see. I want to jump, though, back over to Chainlink and talk a little bit about the price prediction. Let's give it a quick refresh, see where we're at. Looks like we're at $26.75. Another nice move to the upside. This is crazy to see Chainlink moving so fast, but I think, like I said, we're all okay with it. Chainlink is one of those coins that we knew had value. We knew had potential. It's one of those that you had to be patient on. And I think there's other coins like that, and we'll cover those in, probably upcoming videos. So if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I do want to say price prediction-wise, by the end of this month, I think Chainlink could actually reach that $40 price point. I think realistically, anywhere in the 30s is going to be a positive outlook for the month of January. By the end of the year, I am going to be looking for the end of the bull market, end of the year / solution, and I think it's going to be right around $120 to $250. I know that's a very large range, but the closer we get to the end of the bull market, the end of the year, I'll give you probably tighter ranges as, TA will be a little bit easier to understand exactly where we're going to end up. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I do think Chainlink's one that is a keeper, but do remember, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. I'll see you guys all in the next one.